Mm, what's wrong? Is the answer not there? Okay, this is it. Is it around? It's around. Because cannot scatter my head. I've tried enough. Hello.
Oh,
Good afternoon.
afternoon.
How
What's
are you
up?
doing?
Not bad. What about you?
I'm not fine and I'm fine. So like there's this particular question I've been trying to solve for like 5 minutes back now and I just can't seem to hit the nail on the head. I don't know, maybe the answer is not there or I'm just saying it the wrong way.
Wait, which question?
So this question here and this question here.
Oh, a question on compound interest.
Yes,
Okay, yeah, you were
actually.
told to find the numbers of years, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so why not solving it on the pen and paper stuff first before applying here?
I be Merlin Junior.
Okay, let's see.
Last member is going to give us the answer.
Okay, so I think this is approximately 10.
Yes, 10
It's
years.
a lie. It's a lie. You have to be kidding. Do you know how long it took me to like break this down to my own understanding, and you just solved it within like it's not even up to a minute, I think.
The thing is that you can actually solve questions on compound interest, which might be with respect to you finding numbers of years or rates using your calculator. Like now, for this
Okay.
particular question, you agree with me that if you're talking about compound interest, formula for your
Yes.
future value is P into the bracket 1
One
plus
plus
R
R
raised
raised
to
power
power n.
n.
That's when it is compounded annually, right?
Yes, yes.
So this exact formula you're going to be still be implementing due to the fact that this will just result to what we call an equation. So you
Right.
can solve any equation on your calculator, be it simultaneous and so on and so forth. So if you have to input the necessary figures here, right now the future value is 30,000, right?
Yes.
And the principal year is what,
That's
5,000,
5,000.
right? Then the rate here, that's 20%, and 20% is the same thing as
Zero
0.2.
0.2.
Then raised to power n. This is what you are looking for. So
Yeah.
your objective is to impute all this on your calculator, which was what I did. So watch and see.
Okay.
So here I'm having 30,000. You
Uh-huh.
can see on my calculator. Yes equals to, I can press this.
Yeah, no, no, no.
So if you take a look at this on your calc, you have equals to, but the sign here
Yes.
is kind of this particular color, right?
Yeah,
Meaning
with
that
the
if I should press
alpha.
this alpha and this calc, I'm having
Okay.
equals to now 5,000 into the bracket 1 plus 0.02. Sorry, 0.2, right? Then
Yes.
close your bra. Allow them to see the content of your thing. Then remember the raised to power, right?
Yes.
Then this n, that's the variable we're looking for. You can easily use under alphabet to represent that. So I'm using
Okay.
x. So alphabet and x. If you press equals to, it will show you syntax error as this. So this is not what
Alright.
you
So what do we
use.
do?
Rather, you can see calc here and you can
Mm-hmm.
see solve. That's
Yes.
exactly what you have to press. That's shift
Okay.
and solve. So this is when I initially solve it. And now maybe I
Okay.
just solve it to give you solve for x, it will be 0.
Uh-huh.
But just press equals to. This is your
Yeah.
final answer. You can
Oh.
see x equals to 9.8. So approximately that's
This
10.
is this is impressive
So it's
actually
same
and
go
saves time.
precisely. So rather than just going through the stress of solving those questions using a pen and paper, you
Okay,
can easily
so
get it
I've
within.
taken note of this. Thank you very much. So the second question that says what interest rate compounded quarterly will make 5,000 naira to accumulate to 20,000 naira for 4 years?
So you agree with me now this question is on the compound interest. So you can also solve
Yes.
using the compound interest formula. But this time around, it was compounded more than once in a year.
So
Means that
that's you're applying to the
exactly we
formula.
have to introduce m. Like anywhere we see r, it becomes r all over m, right?
Yes.
Anywhere we see n, it becomes
And
nm.
M.
When m is the number of times being compounded within a year. And it was stated that it was compounded quarterly. We have four
Yes.
quarters in a year, meaning m equals to 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
It was asked that we will make 5,000 to accumulate to 20,000 naira, in the sense that the future value is 20,000 naira, right? And the
Yes.
principal, that's the initial deposit,
5,000 naira.
5,000. 1 plus and out, that's exactly what we're looking for.
Yes.
Then divided by the m is what?
The M is
Quarterly,
quarter.
which is
That's
4.
4.
Then you're having 4 times 4. So this is the exact thing we have to impute on our calculator.
Alright.
So imputing that 20,000,
Uh-huh.
then the equals to, right, that
Yeah,
shift
she
and
is.
this 5,000, 1 plus, this is a fraction, right? So
Mm-hmm.
just make use of this.
Alright.
So
R.
how, we don't have how, so you
So
can use
use
variable
X.
x exactly. Then 4, then close the bra, then raise to power, right? Yeah, you can just write
4
4 times
times
4,
4.
or if you like, you can write 16. Remember, if you press equals to, it give us syntax error,
Yes,
which is
then we have
wrong,
to press shift and
and
calc.
calc. That's all. So this was the previous answer we have, as I've stated. So
Yeah,
you press
before.
equals to again, then give some time for it to load, solving for the answer. So in less than 10 to 15 seconds, we should have it.
Alright.
0.36. Remember, rate is always expressed in form
In
of
percent,
percentage. So
yes.
you have to multiply by 100.
That's 36 percentage.
So you can see 36%
Wow, to be honest,
approximately.
like this is just like very, very simple and straightforward.
Like for you, just some questions on compound interest and annuity using your
This
calculator,
is very
finding
nice.
the
If I
rate.
could apply this trick you just taught me to all questions, I'm certainly not wasting more time in examination questions and coming out with an A. Yes, if I actually make use of this calculator.
You get it, you get it.
So thank you very
That is
much.
welcome.